Have you ever looked at your desktop and thought, wow, this looks a little flat? We spend so much time staring at these screens, from work to play, yet the visual experience is often just static. What if there was a way to bring it to life? To make your desktop dynamic, beautiful, and uniquely you? For a long time, the answer was a mix of complicated software, performance-sapping tools, or just a wishful dream. But then, a new contender entered the scene, offering a promise of vibrant, interactive wallpapers without the usual compromises. I'm talking about Vivid. Now, if you're an iPhone user, you might already know this name. Vivid is a popular app that turns your live photos into looping, animated wallpapers on your phone's lock screen. It's slick, it's seamless, and it's incredibly cool. So, it's a natural leap to wonder, can I bring that same magic to my desktop computer? That's the big question we're tackling today. Can you use Vivid on your PC or Mac to create those same stunning, animated backdrops? The short answer, and I'm going to be completely upfront with you, is a bit of a letdown. As of right now, Vivid is an app designed and optimized exclusively for iOS. It's built to work with the specific architecture of Apple's iPhones and the live photo format they capture. This tight integration is what makes it so efficient and easy to use on your phone. Unfortunately, that also means there is no official Vivid app for Windows or Mac OS. You can't just go to the Microsoft Store or the Mac App Store and download Vivid for desktop. But before you click away in disappointment, this isn't the end of the story. While you can't use the Vivid app itself, the idea behind it, having live, animated wallpapers on your desktop, is very much alive and well. In fact, there are a host of fantastic alternatives that not only replicate the Vivid experience but often expand on it, giving you even more creative control. For PC users, your best friend in this journey is a tool called Wallpaper Engine. If you've been in the PC customization world for a minute, you've likely heard of it. Wallpaper Engine is available on Steam for a few dollars, and it is, without a doubt, the gold standard for animated wallpapers. It allows you to use videos, web pages, and even interactive scenes as your desktop background. You can find thousands of user-created wallpapers on the Steam Workshop, from subtle looping animations of rain to intricate cyberpunk cityscapes that respond to your mouse movements. It's powerful, it's feature-rich, and it's surprisingly light on system resources. Mac users, you're not left out. An excellent option for you is an application called Live Wallpaper. It's available on the Mac App Store and offers a similar experience to Wallpaper Engine, allowing you to use video files as your desktop background. You can create your own live wallpapers from your video clips or download some of the pre-made ones. It's a clean, simple, and effective way to get that dynamic feel on your Mac. So, while the specific answer to "can I use Vivid on my desktop" is no, the spirit of the question is absolutely a resounding yes. The dream of a living, breathing desktop is more accessible now than ever before. Whether you're on a high-end gaming PC or a sleek MacBook, there are powerful tools waiting to transform your static workspace into a work of art. The key is to look beyond a single app and explore the vibrant world of desktop customization that's out there. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.